ब्रिटीश चली स्कारलेटाचे 2008चे खुनाचे केशीत हायकोर्टान निकाल दिलो. खून जबरदस्ती केल्यात, ड्रग्स घाल्यात, पुरावे ना केल्यात म्हूण आरोपी सॅमसन डिसोजाक दोशी थारायलो. हायकोर्ट शुक्रारा ताका ख्यास फरमायतलो.
There were 6 sections which were applied on these two accused. The first section was section 354, which is outraging the modesty of a girl. The second was section 328, which was giving narcotics. Then there was section 304, part 2, right, which is causing death in knowledge but not with intention. Then there were sections related to the Goa Children's Act, where this girl, who was a minor and who was in their presence and in their control, rather than protecting her, these people, they gave her narcotics. They took off her clothes, they assaulted her sexually, and they killed her. So that conduct brings them under the purview of the Goa Children's Act. And accused number 1, which is Samson D'Souza, was found guilty on all counts.
आरोपी प्लासिदो कार्वालोक सगळ्या आरोपांतल्यान मुक्त केलो.
Regarding Placido Carvalho, he was found not guilty on his conduct. There wasn't enough evidence to find him guilty.
18 फेब्रुवारी 2008 ब्रिटीश चली स्कारलेटाची बॉडी हंजुना दर्यावेळेर मेळिल्ली. तेन्नासावन स्कारलेटाची आवय फियोनान ब्रिटीश दुतावासा कडल्यान केस लावन धरिल्ली. 8 वर्सांच्या ट्रायली उपरांत 23 सप्टेंबर 2016 पणजी चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टान सॅमसन आनी प्लासिदोक सोडिल्ले. उपरांत सीबीआयन हायकोर्टान चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टाच्या निकालाक चॅलेंज दिल्ली. स्कारलेटाचे फामिलीचो आदवोगाद म्हणटा आयच्या निकालान स्कारलेटाचे फामिलीक एके तरेन न्याय मेळ्ळो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.